Hello friends! Diving into the world of cryptocurrencies is an exciting yet not always simple process. One of the most common problems for beginners is not knowing where to start. How to register on an exchange, how to fund your account, and what steps to take to ensure everything goes smoothly without mistakes. Today I'll show you how to solve this task using one of the most popular cryptocurrency exchanges, Bybit. In this video you will learn how to quickly and easily register, how to fund your account using a method that's convenient for you, and how to make your first trade. Don't forget that in the description below the video, you'll find a registration link with a promo code that will give you bonuses for a smooth start. If you want to stay updated with the latest news and receive trading signals, join our Telegram channel and trading chat. There you'll find an active community ready to help and share their experience. The link will be in the description. Let's get started. Bybit was founded in 2018 and quickly gained popularity among professional traders and futures trading enthusiasts. The exchange offers high-order execution speeds, low fees, and a wide range of trading tools. Bybit ranks in the top 10 for spot trading volume and top 5 for derivatives. In 2023, Bybit significantly expanded its capabilities, adding spot asset trading, cryptocurrency staking programs, and access to the latest tokens. Today, the platform has over 15 million users worldwide. Only authorized users can earn on the platform. To create an account on the Bybit cryptocurrency exchange, follow these steps. Go to the registration link in the description, which will take you directly to the registration page. There are 3 registration options available: using your email address, using your mobile phone number, signing up with a Google or Apple account. Choose the method that is most convenient for you and then create a strong password. Confirm your agreement with the service's terms. Click the Create Account button. Enter the verification code sent to your email or phone, and you're done. Your account is created. Let me know in the comments which exchange you trade cryptocurrencies on and why you chose it. Is it a user-friendly interface, low fees, or access to rare tokens? Share your experience. It will help others make the right choice. As of 2025, KYC, Know Your Customer, is a mandatory procedure on Bybit. To use the service without restrictions, you need to log into the official Bybit website and go to your account settings. Click the Proceed button in the KYC verification section. Enter your personal details: full name, date of birth, passport, or driver's license details. Scan your document. Complete the facial recognition process. Once the first level of KYC is completed, the withdrawal limit will be increased to 50 BTC per day. To remove all restrictions, you must additionally verify your registration address by providing a bank statement or other document that shows your place of residence. In addition to the web platform, Bybit provides a mobile app for iOS and Android, allowing traders to stay connected and manage their trades anytime and anywhere. Deposit and withdrawal operations on Bybit are carried out in the Assets section by clicking the corresponding deposit or withdraw buttons. To deposit funds, you need to copy the address. This can be done with one click at the end of the line. Then, go to your wallet that you usually use and transfer funds to this address. It's important to note that when using Bitcoin, you can only send Bitcoin, and the same applies to other cryptocurrencies. Otherwise, the coins will be lost. The deposit will be credited to your account after one confirmation from the miners. After confirmation, you will receive an email. So, we've registered, funded our account, and now it's time to buy our first cryptocurrency. In the top menu, select the Trade Spot tab. I will buy BTC, but you can buy any available cryptocurrency in the same way. In the search bar, find BTC USDT and select the corresponding trading pair. After selecting the trading pair, the trading interface will open. On the right side of the screen, you will find the order placement window. Types of orders: market order. Buy BTC at the current market price. Specify the amount in USDT that you want to use to buy BTC. Click Buy BTC. Limit order: buy BTC at the price you specify. Set your desired price for 1 BTC and the amount you want to buy. Click Buy BTC, and the order will be filled when the market reaches your price. After your order is executed, the Bitcoin will appear in your spot balance. That's it, friends. Now, you know how to easily and effortlessly register and fund your account on the Bybit cryptocurrency exchange. I hope This video has opened the door to the world of cryptocurrencies for you, and you're ready to begin your journey with confidence and without fear. Feel free to leave a comment about which exchange you'd like to see in the next review. I'll definitely make one for you. Let me know what's most important to you: security, fees, features, or perhaps rare tokens. Your thoughts and suggestions really can influence the content. All the links, including the registration link for Bybit, are waiting for you in the description below the video. Also, if you want to stay up to date with all the crypto news, be sure to check out our Telegram channel. We post the most current and important events. That will help you always stay one step ahead. Until next time, may your trades be profitable and your trading successful.